Fall is in the air and I am so excited to start some fall crafting. Now here are 3 things that I found at my local craft store that I am going to make a fun door hanger for my front door. I've got this Hello Fall wood cutout, a fun little sprig with some leaves and a pine cone and a pumpkin. Gotta have the pumpkin for fall. And my favorite piece is this leaf-shaped twig thing. I don't even know what it's called. Let's see what it's called. Let's look at the tag. The tag just calls it a maple leaf. Well, this is so cute that I knew that I had to make something for my front door using this fun leaf. We are going to start with our Hello Fall, and I'm just going to take off this little hanger rope because I won't need it, and the tag. First, I will apply 2 coats of the gold spray paint. Once that is dry, I'm going to spray some multi-purpose spray adhesive and then sprinkle the glitter on top. Last is a clear top coat that will help keep that glitter adhered to my wood cutout. Now all we really have left is to just bring in all of our pieces, glue them together, and finish our project. I told you this was going to be really easy. Now to put everything together, we are going to use our trusty old glue gun. Gotta love glue guns. And that is pretty much how I want it to look. Now I want to trim this floral pick, this base of the floral pick a little bit. So I'm going to grab my wire cutters. And we're going to cut that. There we go. Told you we could do it. Bend this just a little bit. Perfect. And there you can see our stem. We're going to glue that in. So I'm going to bring in my glue gun. I'm going to put lots of glue on this. It is going to be hanging outside, so we want to make sure that it is good and secure. Okay, that base looks pretty good. Good and secure. And now I'm actually going to turn this over. That'll help me see where I can glue this on the back side. Okay, we're looking good on this back side. Maybe a little bit more in here. And then I want to glue it up here at the top as well. So we're going to flip that back over. And put a big glob of glue right there. And glue that down. Okay, now that this is in place, we can kind of move our leaves and stuff around however we want to get that look. And that one is bent, so I'm going to do that. Kind of play with it to get it to unbend. There we go. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, now we are going to do the same thing and we're going to glue our Hello Fall into place. And I just want to make sure that where I am placing the Hello Fall has some good glue places for that wood piece, so it'll be nice and secure on that leaf. Oh, it looks so cute already. I love quick and easy projects. Okay, I'm going to turn this just so I have a better view. I'm going to glue that part down. Ooh, that was still really hot. I have crafter finger though. It really doesn't hurt very long. I've glued my fingers so many times. Okay, and then we're just gonna keep going around and gluing that down wherever we can to secure it to this wreath. Now, or this leaf actually. Now, if it's a really windy day, then I would probably still take it down. But for the most part, this should hold up just fine. Okay, now I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna do the same thing and just look for any place where I can adhere that hello a little bit better. I'm gonna hang it off my table, so I know that makes it a little bit more difficult for you to see, but then I can lay it flat with that pumpkin off of the table. Okay, I think we are pretty good. We have that nice and secure. Let's just get some of those hot glue strings out of there. Although then it looks like spider webs. I'm going to grab some of my twine that I have since we cut off the one. Just gonna cut off a length of that. And let's see. How do I want it to hang? Yes, I like it like this. So we're gonna hang the twine from that part of the leaf. So I'm gonna put that under. And I'm going to tie a knot with the two strands together. I don't want it to be too long here. And then once that is secure, nice and tight, I can cut that off. And there is our cute little Hello Fall door hanger. Oh, it turned out so cute, you guys. And there were only 3 ingredients, I guess. It turned out so cute. I love this. And it was so simple. We just went and found 3 things at our craft store that went together, and then we hot glued them together. And now we have this really pretty Hello Fall door hanger. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. While you're here, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you get notified when I have new tutorials that are released. And of course, you can always find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting!